Hello everybody and welcome to the NightDrago9893 Room Tour, and today I'm going to be taking you around my room. I know this is super strange for my main channel. Normally I do more on my vlogging channel, and I have my microphone in this really strange place. You know, this probably is not what I'm supposed to be doing with my microphone. I'm probably not supposed to be holding it like this, but just welcome to the room tour. I'll be taking you guys around my room. Here we are, guys, starting out the room tour, and here we are in my room. I know it's pretty strange. We've got a lot of stuff going on. This is pretty much the second video in the NightDrago993 300 subscriber special. My webcam actually quite hasn't arrived yet, so there's a lot to show that I really can't, the webcam that I can't really do much with quite yet. And right behind us here, we've got kind of just a display shelf of some things I've had throughout my life. This Minecraft display I find to be really interesting. It took me a little while to set up oh, come on, go over in the focus there. A little while to set up at times. Books, Minecraft pictures and everything, all that kind of stuff, and everything, Rayquaza art and all that. I can't draw. Most of that was drawn for me. I've got this little band actually up here that kind of hold stuff. I'm sorry the camera isn't focusing. I have no idea how to work this thing. It's my mom's camera actually. It's my drawers, my collection of Yoshis my grandma made for me, and this creeper, which I would set off, except I'm holding my microphone, so I can't really. And then we go to the tech side, which this is my computer I'm recording the audio with. We've got our Nintendo Switch Splatoon one right there. We've got Pro Control and everything. We have got my Wii U down there. Normally my computer sits right here, but of course I'm recording with it right now. The audio separately, so I get a nice audio quality. I've got the keyboard and everything. Beautiful, beautiful keyboard, right? The webcam will be sitting up there or to the side. Not quite sure. Might use actually the microphone stand. A lot of stuff going on there. PC's all the way down there with the headphones. And we've got the display. So if the webcam's right here, right? The display can go back here for things that go with the webcam. So these will kind of show up in the back of my webcam. And then we've got nice little loop things up here that I can hang my blanket on, actually, to display that. Let me open this closet door with my foot really quick, guys. Really hard to open it with my foot. We've got Pokemon, lots of crazy stuff. Mega Rayquaza over there. Lots of stuffed animals up in the corner over there. And just a lot of interesting stuff in my closet, I guess, right? And then over here we've got my bed. We've got my two flattened friends, as I call them, because I've just slept with them for so long that they've just flattened themselves out. And I've got all my cords sorted here. Elgato kind of switches between the TV and the monitor depending on what I'm playing, because I use a dual monitor setup or the TV. I've got all the cords sorted under here with nice cable management and all that, and all the battery backup and everything. I paid too much. This is a sword and a hammer and a Minecraft poster, but the hammer and this my dad made for me. I think they're pretty sweet. And over here, I can't quite reach over here with my microphone, but I've got my nightstand and everything, posters. I actually got a magnet wall over there, which is really sweet as well. Got a lot of really interesting features in my room that I really find myself enjoying. But guys, that is going to pretty much be the room tour. Guys, that's going to be the end of the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed looking around my room and just seeing what I've got going around here. So, yeah, I'm going to see you guys all in the next one. So please like the video if you like it, share if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to keep up to date. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!